Morning traders, Nick Messenger, market dealers here to bring out the daily market bias video for Wednesday, May 5th. It's approximately 10 minutes after 6 a.m. in the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia trading mixed, if you will, more towards the downside, but a bit mixed, if you will, with these Indian Sensex and the Aussie Dow trading in positive territory. The rest is all trading in pretty much negative territory. Currently, right now in Europe, and this current ongoing Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the upside, with a couple of these exchanges trading to positive triple-digit territory. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar trading lower, U.S. dollar trading higher. The bonds, however, are trading lower. In fact, the entire bond universe is trading down. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open. Gold is trading higher. Crude oil is trading higher. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in our docket today for the U.S. markets. At 8:15, we have ADP non-farm employment change. This will dovetail very nicely into Friday's jobs report. And then at 9:30, we have an FOMC member speaking. At 9:45, final services PMI. At 10 a.m., ISM services PMI. At 10:30, crude oil inventories. And at the top of the roll-off at 3 p.m., we have another FOMC member speaking. All this being said, a bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias is we're really not seeing much in the way of correlation at all. We see like everything's trading higher, if you will, with the exception of the bonds. However, other than that, everything else is trading higher. So it's like all boats want to rise at the same time. And it's really not very realistic. We're really not seeing much in the way of correlation at all. I mean, the indices themselves are pointing higher, and the US dollar is pointing higher as well. This is not normal. The treasuries are trading lower, the bonds are trading lower, which is normal. However, that's the only thing that's really trading lower. And it's the only thing that seems to be correlated, if you will. And we need a bit more than that in order to determine market correlation. So all that being said, I mean, the bias is neutral. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.